This video is going to go over how you change the title of a profile style. So if you're using the templates, the default in the settings, the profile styles, you go under settings, your tool space, the profile view styles. You'll notice here, the ones that state the grid next to them in parentheses are the ones that we created in Maryland that will use the alignment as the profile title. The rest of them are from the NRCS customization and may be using something different. So for example, if we were to take the horizontal 10, vertical exaggeration of 1:1, and if we go to edit, you'll notice under the title annotation tab up top, it's pulling the title content from the parent alignment. If you were to change that, you can select the little a. You can remove this. And you can select anything that you want in here, going from the graphic view name, parent alignment, profile start station, and so on and so forth within the properties. So as a default, it's set to the parent alignment. Go ahead and add that. Now, if you wanted to also put in the scale, you can hit enter. Drawing scale, you can do the precision as 1. Hit the add, click OK, and now you'll notice that it's been changed for that specific profile view style. That's horizontal 10, vertical exaggeration 1:1. Go ahead and click apply. And now we'll look at one that we've created for our Maryland templates under the grid. You go to right click edit. You'll notice on this, it goes to the text style, parent alignment, and then we actually put in the scale for you written out. So you'll notice that it's the parent alignment is actually the title, and then we wrote out horizontal 10, vertical 10 for the scale. If you wanted to change that, you could, but this is at least shows you exactly where the title from your profiles comes from. So an example of this really quick. Really don't need any type of points or surface or anything to do this, so I'm just going to do it generically on a template that we have in Maryland. So what you want to do first, if you use the tool palettes, you can go into general drafting, alignment lines existing. We'll just zoom in a little bit so it's not too large. And in this case, we'll just make it, we'll make it 100 feet. So now we have an alignment line drawn. It's not an alignment line yet, but we drew a line, a polyline, on the alignment line layer. Now we have to create that into alignment. So we go up to alignment creation tool from objects. Select that line, hit enter. If you want to reverse the direction, you can. If you like the direction, go ahead and hit enter. And again, create alignment from objects. The name, create alignment from objects. Here is the name alignment. So we'll call this is the title. So go ahead and click OK. So now you have your alignment. Now we're going to go ahead and create a profile view. So create surface profile. You can select anything. Here's your alignment name. Click add. Draw profile view. Select alignment again. Click next. You can go through this whole process, but we'll go ahead and create the profile view. Select where you're going to put it. And you'll notice here, under this profile, this is the title. So, you select on that alignment, and you go over in your tool space. Here's the title. And if we go to properties on this, profile view properties, Here's the horizontal vertical 10, 1-to-1. And if you remember, if we go in here and edit this, this is another way to get into it. We have the drawing scale in there. If we want to remove that, we can take that off. Click apply, click OK, click apply, and you'll notice that that comes off. Now, if we wanted to change this profile view properties to the other one that we looked at was the horizontal 10, vertical 10, click apply, click OK. You'll notice it's got a little bit of different style to it that was set up. You'll notice that horizontal stationing is vertical, and then also it gives the scale on the title. So this just kind of gives you an understanding of how to change the title on a profile style. So if you have multiple profile styles that are the same, for example, if you were using this profile style, in this case, you're going to select this profile. We use this object style 10, vertical 10 throughout the drawing. Whatever you set this style to, it's going to change on all styles associated in that drawing. So if you were to edit that, it's going to edit for every one. So if you were to change this to, if you wanted to change this to something else, not the parent alignment, you wanted to graphic view name, you wanted to add that, apply. This is what it's going to do for every single style within that drawing for that specific profile style. And this is where the profile view comes from. If you wanted to change that, you can remove this PDF6, click apply, and now you'll notice that is removed. So you must know where that comes from in order to change the title. This concludes the video of going over the profile style title change.